guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be about my Ipsy Glambag for the month of May. I just got it today and I'm really excited to open this, so let's just see what's in. So I'm just gonna open this. First thing in here is this Innisfree clearing clay mask. This is actually my add-on for this month. And next is these intense hydrating mask. This is perfect because I have dry skin. Next I got an eyeshadow brush. This is really cute. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Moving on to the bag. First thing I see here is this Pixie H2O skin drink. It's just a moisturizer. Next is this Bare Minerals Set Hydrate and Glow. I think this is like mist. Yeah, this is a setting spray. So yeah. Next thing in here, the last thing in my bag is this. I think this is a single eyeshadow. Yeah, it's broken, so I'm just gonna show it like this. So I'm just gonna put that in there. So yeah, that's it for this month's bag. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!